Dear students, in this video you will learn about landforms of India. India is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. It has many landforms. Some places have mountains while others have flat land. At some places the land is made up of rocks and at other places it is covered with sand. So let's start with hills and mountains. A high land with a round top is called a hill. The Vindhya ranges in the central India and the Nilgiri hills in the south India are examples of hills. Very high hills with sharp tops are called mountains. The Himalayan mountain ranges lie in the north. There are many peaks in these mountains that remain covered with snow, so it is cold throughout the year. Mount Everest on the Nepal-China border is the highest peak in the Himalayan mountain ranges. Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj and Brahmaputra rivers originate in these mountains. Flat and level land is called a plain. To the south of the Himalayas lie the Great Plains of India. In the plains, summers are hot and the winters are cold. Rivers Ganga and the Yamuna flow through these plains and made the soil fertile. There is a narrow strip of flat land along the eastern and the western coasts of India. It is known as the Eastern Coastal Plain and the Western Coastal Plains. These plains meet at Kanyakumari. Rivers such as Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow through these plains. The coastal areas are neither very hot nor very cold. A high land with steep sides and a flat top is called a plateau. The southern part of India is a plateau and called the Deccan Plateau. It is surrounded by hill ranges on three sides. It has an uneven surface. The land is hard and rocky. It is less fertile than the plains. The rivers in the Deccan Plateau depend on the rain for water. The southern part of India is surrounded by water bodies on three sides that make India a peninsula. A large area of land covered with sand is called a desert. In the northwestern part of India lies the Indian desert, also called the Thar desert. It covers a large part of Rajasthan. This area is hot and dry. It gets very little rainfall. Very few plants and trees grow here. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. There are two groups of islands in our country. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie on the eastern side in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands lie on the western side in the Arabian Sea. Dear students, in this video you have learnt that India has landforms such as mountains, plains, plateaus, desert and islands. The Himalayas lie in the north. They have many peaks. The Great Indian Plains are very fertile. The land in the southern plateau is hard and rocky. A large part of Rajasthan is desert. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are the two island groups in our country. Thank you.